Hello beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. This is your girl Lydia from Uganda, East Africa. Guys, today I'm gonna share with you my simple spaghetti delicious recipe. So come with me as I prepare my spaghetti. These are my simple ingredients. I have the tomato ketchup, the tomato, the carrots, the green pepper, and the onions, plus the spaghetti here. So guys, as you can see, I've started with my onions. So I'm gonna cook them until golden brown. The carrots, and the green pepper at the same time. I'll let my ingredients cook. Another thing, I'll add in 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Now guys, my ingredients are ready. As you can see, I've put water in my saucepan and some salt. So I'm going to wait for this water to boil. My water is ready, so I've put in the spaghetti. So it's gonna boil until it's ready. And you know what guys, for me, I don't break my spaghetti, I just pour it like this. That much. So I'm gonna pour in my ingredients like this. And I'm going to let it cook for like 3 minutes, and I will serve. My spaghetti is ready. Please come enjoy with us guys. I love you all. Come enjoy our meal. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please do it and help me to grow my channel. Please subscribe, comment, like, as well as sharing my videos. Guys, today's verse is coming from the book of Romans chapter 8 verse 18, and it goes like this: I consider that what we suffer at this present time cannot be compared at all with the glory that is going to be revealed to us. So guys, no matter the situation you are going through, no matter which situation you are going through, just remember that there is the glory waiting for you. There is no permanent situation. With God, all things are possible. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you all. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.